Struggling to find the progress bar widget in Elementor's crowded panel? You'll add a fully customized progress bar to your page in under 2 minutes. Follow these 12 simple clicks, from opening the homepage editor to styling and advanced settings, and your progress bar will be live. First, go to Edit Home with Elementor. Then click on Highlight. Now, click on General. Then click on Progress Bar. And click on Title. Next, click on the Title HTML tag. Then, click on Display Title. After that, click on Percentage. Then click on Display Percentage. Now, click on Inner Text. Move over to the Style tab. And finally, go to Advanced. That's it. Enjoy your progress bar. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.